Hello, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Presdec Forgings and Engineering Private Limited. We are experts in the manufacturing of hot forged products. In our 11 years of existence, we have produced over 12.5 million units in 95 variants. We have contributed to 45 customers in generating a revenue of $15.12 billion. Out of our 45 clients, 11 are OEMs, 34 are Tier 1 to OEMs. Some of our top clients are OEMs like Tractor and Farm Equipments, Ashok Leyland, Doosan Bobcat, and the defense sector. We have also contributed to OEMs like Royal Enfield, Tata Motors, Volvo India, Eicher India, Same Dosh Fahad, Bond Figliloli through Tier 1 suppliers like Sundram Fasteners, Axles India, Dana India, to name a few. Vehicles fitted with our products are being sold in 101 plus countries, and we have helped one of our clients save and make additional profits of $587,000. We have an installed capacity of 5,000 metric tons per annum and a team strength of 103. The combined experience of our production team is 249,000 hours, while 81,700 hours is the combined experience of our quality team. For any further queries, please click the link in the description box below or call us now. Thank you.